Hey everybody, Charlie with Russ Darrow, Waukesha here again. It is officially football season, so as a result, I'm in front of our 2024 Kia Telluride SX Prestige X-Line trim level, and this is going to be your perfect tailgating vehicle for football season. And on this Telluride here, we have a power lift gate, so I'm going to pop that guy open using the key fob here. And we have the cargo mats in the back, so we'll take those out. But in the third row, you're going to have 21 cubic feet of space with the seats up. And under this guy here, you're also going to have a spare tire. So I'm going to pop that open. You'll see we got a spare tire. So if you get a flat on the way to the game, you got a spare. And now with the third row down here, you're going to have 46 feet of cubic space. And boom, now with the second row folded down here, you're going to have 87 cubic feet of space, which is industry leading. And check this out here. This is real handy for tailgating. There's a setting up front that says Smart Lift Gate. So the power lift gate's going to automatically open as long as you have the key fob in your pocket, like I do in this case. And whatever you have in your hands, you can throw in the back. Ta-da! How cool is that? So if you plan on going tailgating this year, whether it be in a Telluride, a Kia, or any other vehicle that you purchased from us here at Russ Darrow, Waukesha, feel free to drop a photo of you in the comments. We would love to see it. Otherwise, you can contact us here at 262-444-5445 to set up an appointment. Otherwise, take care and happy football season.